Hello guys, I'm about to go out and do some errands. Today being a Saturday, and I wanted to shoot this video, keep it rolling, so you can enjoy the view. Yesterday there was a lot of snow, about 5 inches here in the Midwest. But it's not that bad. The roads are not very bad. So I'm gonna be driving around and to kind of show you how the roads look like. You'll be noticing a lot of white stuff around, but not very bad. This is what happens in the US when the winter season comes. If you are new and you are not used to this kind of weather, sometimes it might be very, very, very annoying and very dangerous in driving. This is a big challenge for the trucking industry because the roads sometimes they become very slippery. But there are always ways to go around it, and because people have to work and pay some bills. So one thing I've noticed is every season it has its own advantages and disadvantages. But depending on what you're doing. But for the most part, the trucking industry is affected by the weather. Because the United States is so many states, so when the weather is bad in one state, the weather is good in other states. So it depends pretty much where you are. Like today, if you look around, this is the truck stop right there, and this is from another angle. So I'll go through here, and that's the truck stop from another angle here. That's the famous TA. I'll go through here again, and then so this is where drivers park overnight or over the weekend and wait. This one looks like it's doing an exchange of a load, like a recovery or something. And those are the other trucks resting, waiting to deliver a load or pick up a load. That's the scale right there where you measure the weight you carry, so you are not overweight. Because if you are overweight, you're gonna be ticketed. And this is the way it looks like. So guys, I'm at a TA truck stop, just in the forest here. I was driving around to show you guys the way the truck stop looks like during the winter. Our drivers are struggling to get through with this kind of weather. It's a tough situation, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get to get paid. So let me free my car. So this is the TA and the forest around here. The winter, when during the winter, this is the way things look like. This truck stop around here is people are sitting in their vehicles. They had loads, and it's kind of slow this time, but they are hanging in there. Some of them they have loads, and this one is at the scale. Is trying to weigh his vehicle, and this is what the truck stop looks like. I think I took a video here before, but I wanted to show you how this place looks like during the winter. This is where people spend night overnight. But it looks like those ones have not moved. They have been here for days. So guys, I'm just driving around to show you the way it looks like. And this guy right here looks like he's doing. So the basket truck over there looks like he's doing a transfer. Maybe the vehicle over here broke down and they're trying to transfer the load to another truck. And over there is where they put gas. Yeah, that's where they put gas. And that is the scale that's where they weigh their loads, or they weigh the vehicle if they are loaded. If they want to know if it's overweight or something, that's where they weigh. That's the winter looks like when you don't have anything to do.